What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you the best 30 tips and tricks for your OnePlus 7T.
Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now.
Before we begin the video, I would like to let you know that the first tips and tricks are going to be only for your OnePlus 7T, and the remainder will also work on your OnePlus 7 Pro. So first off, we're going to start with the updated navigation gestures on the new OnePlus 7T. On the previous models of this phone, you were able to change the navigation gestures on your phone, but now you don't only have to replace the navigation bar, you can also jump from apps to apps by just swiping on the side of the screen, as you can see that I'm doing right now. And all these interactions will also work while the phone is on landscape mode. And to do this customization, all you're gonna have to do is go to your settings, and once you're there, you're gonna head to buttons and gestures, and then you're gonna go to navigation bar and gestures. Once you're in there, you can have the back, home, and recent bar, as you can see right here. That is the one that comes as a preset option, or you can do the navigation gestures that are gonna be very similar to the one on iOS. And here you will also have the option to hide the bottom bar, as you can see right here. If you activate it, it's going to disappear the little bar right here at the bottom. On this phone, you're also able to change the screen refresh rate. And what this is going to do is basically going to let your phone enhance the screen experience by making it smoother every time you open or close an app. To get to the settings, all you're gonna have to do is go to display, and once you're there, you're gonna see the option right here that is gonna say screen refresh rate, and you're gonna pick if you want it in 90 Hz or 60 Hz. This phone will also bring a new pre-installed app that is gonna be called Game Space, where basically you're gonna have all the shortcuts to every single game on your phone, and you can find it right here on the menu. Straight from this app, you can also activate gaming mode and also FNATIC mode. And as we know, the FNATIC mode will block all notifications and calls while you're playing any games, and will also restrict background to boost your game. A new update on the OnePlus 7T is going to be the send mode. This is something that we've seen on the previous phones, but the new feature is that now you are able to change the time frame that you want to lock your phone. You can pick between 20 minutes and 60 minutes, and you can do it by just pressing here the little green letters and the arrow right here. And this is something that you were not able to do on your OnePlus 7 Pro. And the way to get to your send mode is going to be through your quick settings. You're going to go there, and then you're going to swipe to the left, and you're going to find it right here. And right where your send mode is, you're also going to have the reading mode, which basically is going to change the colors on your screen to make it more comfortable on your eyes whenever you want to read something. And you can choose if you want a chromatic effect or you want a mono effect. Once again, to get here, all you're going to have to do is go to your quick settings, swipe to the left, and pick reading mode. And also you can access to the camera by just double pressing the block button right here on the side. And through your settings, you will also be able to activate the night mode, which is going to basically change the colors on your phone, so it's going to be easier for you to read it at night. And you can activate it by just going to the settings, and once you're there, you're going to head to display, and then you're going to go to night mode. Next up is going to be how to change your ambient display whenever your phone is locked. And you can customize it by just going to the settings, and then once you're in settings, you go to customization, and here you're going to have the clock style. Here you can swipe between these options and pick whichever you like the most. You can also customize the alert slider by just going to the settings, go to buttons and gestures, and then once you're there, you're going to head to alert slider, and you're going to select if you want that button to work as a silent button, as a vibration button, or a ring button. Through your settings, you're also going to have the parental control. To get to the setting, all you're going to have to do is go all the way down to digital well-being and parental control, and here you're going to have all the options that you can do. For example, setting a bedtime schedule. You can also change the home screen layout by just pinching on the home screen and going to setting. Once you're there, you're going to see the option down here that is going to say home screen layout, and you can select how many columns you want on your home screen and the icon size. Now I'm going to show you how to activate the dark mode, which is the one that I'm using right now. Basically, it's going to set up your phone in a dark theme where every single pre-installed app is going to look like this with a black background, including the phone, the notifications, the menu, and even the settings. And you can get to this option by just going to your settings, and once you're there, you're going to head to customization, and here you're going to have theme. Once you're in there, you can pick if you want the vibrant tints, the illuminating light, or the dark theme. And right here on this menu, you're gonna have also how to change the fingerprint animation whenever your phone is locked, and you can just swipe to the left and you're gonna see it right here. You just press on it and you can select if you want the ripple, the stripe, or no effect on your fingerprint animation. Now I'm gonna show you how it works. Basically, you just gotta put your fingerprint and it's gonna happen really fast, as you can see right now. And also a shortcut to get to the quick settings without having to do it twice. All you're gonna have to do is swipe with 2 fingers from the top to the bottom, and that's gonna automatically open your quick settings. The OnePlus 7T also gives you the option to customize the icons on your phone by just pinching the home screen and going to home settings. Then you go to icon pack and you get to pick if you want the OnePlus icons, if you want the square icons, or maybe the round icons. You also have an option to download more by just pressing more, and it's gonna take you to the store where you'll be able to select your favorite. Next up, we're gonna have the app locker, and what this is gonna do is basically gonna lock the app with a password so people don't get on it. As you can see, I'm gonna press the camera and now it's gonna ask for my pattern to unlock the app. You can get to the setting by just going to your settings, then you're gonna go to utilities, and once you're there, you're gonna see right here where it says app locker. You put your pattern, and once you're there, you select add apps, and then you choose whichever you want. Now I'm gonna show you some options to enhance the quality of your videos. All you're gonna have to do is go to your settings, then you're gonna go to display, and once you're there, you're gonna go to video enhancer and you just activate it. Here's gonna show you a little preview of how your videos are gonna look once you activate it. This is not gonna help your videos look better when you record them, but it's gonna help you to enhance the colors for when you see them on your phone. Now I'm gonna show you this really useful feature, which is gonna be the quick launch, and basically whenever you unlock your phone and keep block pressing the screen, it's gonna show you this little menu where you can just swipe and get a shortcut to every single app that you wanna add on this menu. And you can get to the setting by just going to the settings once again. Once you're there, you're gonna head to utilities and you're gonna see the option right here that says quick launch. Once you're there, you just activate it and you'll be all set. Also, you can take screenshots on this phone by just pressing the volume down and block button. And then OnePlus 7T, you can also change the accent color, which is basically going to be every single title that you have on your phone, and sometimes a few of the icons. As you can see right now, it shows you a little preview. You just select a color and press the check mark, and now everything on your phone is going to look like this. And you can get to the setting by just going to your settings. You're going to head to customization, and once you're there, you're going to have here accent color. In here, you also have the option to make your phone activate whenever you tap the screen or when you pick up the phone whenever it's locked. As you can see right now, I'm just going to lift it and the ambient display is going to show up. And also if I just tap on the screen, it's going to show the ambient display. You can get to this setting by just going to display and then heading to ambient display. You're going to have these two options that are going to be pick up your phone to show and also tap screen to show. Right on the display menu, you can also change the font size by just heading to this option and just moving the little bar to whatever size you prefer. This phone doesn't just unlock by your fingerprint or a pattern or maybe a pin. You can also set up a Face ID. All you're gonna have to do is go to your settings. You're gonna head to security and lock screen, and then you're gonna head to face unlock. Once you're there, it's gonna ask for your pattern or pin, and then you're gonna select add face data and follow the steps to set up your face unlock. And on this phone, you're also going to have the option of battery saver, which basically is going to restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other high power features to extend the battery life on your phone. And you can get to this setting by just heading to battery, and then you're going to have right here battery saver. So you just activate it, and you can also customize it by making it turn off when it's fully charged. You can also see all the detailed usage of your phone right here in this menu by just going to view detailed usage, and then it's going to show you the percentage and apps that has been spending your battery life. Right here on display, you're also going to have the option of customize the screen calibration, and this means basically changing the color. As you can see right now, I have it on vivid, but you can also put it on natural colors, and here's going to show you a little example of how it's going to look. You have vivid, natural, and also you have advanced. And right here on display, you can also customize the status bar by just going here to status bar, and you can change the battery style. You can select if you wanted to show the percentage by just pressing on whichever option you want to customize. And last but not least, you also have the option of change the shape of the quick settings by just going to the settings, you head to customization, and right here at the bottom you're gonna have shape. Once you're there, you can select if you want the square, if you want the teardrop, or if you want the round rectangle. Once you're pleased with whichever choice you have, you just press the check mark and you'll be all set. So that was it for the best 30 tips and tricks for your OnePlus 7T. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like and leave a comment down below on which trick was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.